What's up, YouTube? It's Railfan today here at Emery Gap Yard. Well, starting off at Emery Gap Yard to the southern part of the Rat Hole here on the CNO&TP, owned by the city of Cincinnati, I believe is who owns this line all the way to Chattanooga, and operated by Norfolk Southern. We're going to see if we can find some good stuff, so stay with us. We got a coal train going to TVA plant there. I don't know if it's going to be going out today or not, but we'll find out. Stay with us. Hey, look at that. Got a high green going southbound toward Chattanooga. Moved a little bit south here. It's the next town down. Emery Gap, where we were at, was in Harriman. We're now in Rockwood, Tennessee, so we're going to wait around and see what this southbound green is. Got my radio. I have no idea what it is, but we're going to find out what it is because we're going to wait around and see what it is. No time for a tripod. Literally pulled down here to my favorite spot, and here he is. Sun is in a bad spot, but that was a good catch. I love seeing old heritage cars In particular, I love those southern gondola cars from yesteryear. And even that gondola rail service, I hadn't seen one of those in, I mean, it's been a good 20 years since I've seen one of those. But I usually like to set up across the tracks over here, but when I went over there from seeing that green signal, they're getting a delivery right now, so I had to improvise because he's right there where I usually park. But it worked out okay. I get over here and I was thinking about where to set up, and well, he's here. So stick around, we'll see what else we can find. Well, as they say, you can't win them all. I go on the other side, I see there's a high green heading northbound, and so I go to set up in my favorite location, which is now vacated by a truck. And the train gets here before the light decides to change its mind and let me get over to my favorite spot. So sometimes you just got to live with what you got. So at least I got some video, and we'll see what happens next. Got some DPUs. Nice. Nice manifest. Nice. I would definitely say that makes up for the missed 2-car general freight going north. Very, very nice manifest. Got some good Union Pacific foreign power on there. Always good to see out here on Norfolk Southern. Pretty common, but always good to see those UP bright yellow engines. Love this little scene right here. This is one of my favorite places to come on the CNO&TP. It's right here in downtown Rockwood. They've torn down some buildings here and made like a little park area. Really picturesque with the Walden Ridge that goes up to the Cumberland Plateau up there. And you can see a good ways down. Lots of crossings to give you warnings. Full set of signals that you can see from either side. And a nice little creek to boot. Kind of a hard to beat location. Righty. On the way to relocate to Spring City, just for the heck of it. And my transponder went off and it's a tank train. He has slowed down quite a bit. On the highway there, I was paralleling him. He was doing about 50. There is a signal back there, so that must mean that there is something that's coming. As per usual, I leave my radio in the vehicle. I know, I'm bad for that. What's that? Pretty clean, aren't they? Can you see that? Got my buddy Harry here with me today. He watches a lot of hobo videos. He's the expert on hobo signage. Who's the railroad rabbit? At the end here, he has got to be carrying, he's got to be going on to a siding, so we're going to move on south to Spring City and hopefully catch whatever that he's pulling over for coming southbound. See you there. Well, I do not believe that he was pulling over on a siding to let something go southbound, because now we have come back down south to Spring City and it is right now at the hour mark and we got nothing. And nothing on the signals, nothing on the other side, so I don't know. Such is the life of train watching. Hang in there, I'm sure there's something coming. Well, lo and behold, we got a train coming. It's southbound. Can't see what it is, but it's got NS power and it's moving fast. Nice. Just about to move northward and I got caught. It's okay, we got him. It's like a good Autotrain. My goodness, that is some impressive graffiti. Oh man, it's a short one. Well, that'll do it for the day of rail fanning on the CNO&TP for me. If you could leave a like and subscribe to the channel. We're just getting started here, but we've got a lot of great content coming your way. Always looking for trains, always seeing what's cool on the rails. So tune in next time and we'll see what's going on.